Yes, my people, fire Reid one more time, true Jamaican vibes. So right now I'm going to Holland Bamboo, St. Elizabeth. So if you don't ride a van back, you're not a Jamaican. Yes, my people, one more time, I know say fire Reid. Now Holland Bamboo, St. Elizabeth. Nice place to be when you come to Jamaica. Just enjoy the vibes, true Jamaican vibes, fire Reid. Thanks for tuning into my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. There are so many things we can do in Jamaica, my people. So we have to enjoy sweet Jamaica no matter what. Coronavirus, we're going to enjoy it same way. Look at the beauty. Thanks for taking a tour with me, True Jamaican Vibes. So you know if you want your coconut or your peanut, you can stop at Holland Bamboo. So enjoy the ride with me, my people, in St. Elizabeth, Holland Bamboo. Place is so green and pretty. We're getting so many rain from the other day. Blessings on the land, you know. So yes, my people, so when you come into Holland Bamboo, you can get one of the best curry goat in Holland Bamboo, curry goat and roti. So you need to all stop in Holland Bamboo and have your curry goat and roti, okay? On your left right here, you can have your curry goat and your roti. True Jamaican vibes, my people. So welcome to Holland Village. We're now in Holland Village, okay? When you want your best roasted peanut, you can stop right here on your right hand side, right here. Just ask if fatty. So enjoy the ride, my people. True Jamaican vibes. So thanks for crossing the bridge with me. Enjoy the ride. So when you come to Holland Bamboo going to Black River, you have to cross this bridge. So yes, my people, you know, in middle quarters, you know, you have the longest corner in Jamaica. So take a tour with me through Jamaican vibes. Thank you for watching, my people. Enjoy the ride. So you know, in middle quarters, you know, you can also go to YS Falls. So you all need to check out YS Falls when you come to Jamaica. It's a nice falls to be, very relaxing. And also you can get the best peanut porridge. And also in middle quarters, the best peppery shrimp. So you can come to middle quarters. Look at the beauty, my people. Look at the beauty. Check the sign, my people. YS Falls, Ginger Hill, Middle Quarters, Black River. So coming up on your right here, you can get your best peanut porridge, your soup. Take a look, my people. When you want your peanut porridge, you need to be right here. And this right turn leads you to YS Falls right here. So now we are approaching the longest corner in Jamaica, through Jamaican vibes in middle quarters, St. Elizabeth. So take a ride with me around the longest corner in Jamaica. So when you come to Jamaica, you all need to drive on this corner. It's the longest corner in Jamaica. So we are now entering middle quarters. On your right coming up, you can get your pepper shrimp. So when you come to Jamaica and go back at airport at the Sangsters International Airport, you all need to make a stop on your right and get your pepper shrimp, okay? Yes, my people, right over there, it's an early morning tour. Look at the beauty. So on your right again, you can make a next stop for your breakfast. On your right coming up. Nice place to be. Enjoy the ride. So we all need to travel this road. Yeah man, Irie Vibes place right over here. Thanks for watching my people, True Jamaican Vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Reid. Peace and out.